Airtel, Cred, Paytm, Upgrad, Meesho, these are some of the companies who hire freshers only from IITs and top NITs, but I am going to tell you how you can apply in these companies as well, no matter from which college you are from. So hey guys, this is Achintya Kamath. In this video I am going to tell you about a hiring test in which you can apply for 50 plus companies offering a package up to 15 LPA and get a job within 15 days. So do watch the video till the end and get all the details that you need to know. Regarding the eligibility, 2022 batch, the final year students can immediately apply, give the test and get placed in 15 days. No need to wait more than that. For 2023 batch, that is student in their third year, you can apply as well, but you will not get job offers. You will get PPOs or 6-month internship that you can do in your final year. So you can also apply for the first year and second year, that is student of 2025 pass out and 24 pass out. You can definitely watch the video, give the test. If you are above the age of 18, do it as a practice, but you will not get offers right now, but you will get to know what you have to do in your third year, in your final year, and start preparing now. I get a message from a lot of students from third year and final year, like they are regretting. They want to know, sir, what do I study now? And I am saying, like, you have only 1 month. What are you going to do now? You don't have enough time. So I get a lot of regret message, and I don't want you to regret. So please watch the video. Please trust me. I'm requesting you. What else I can do, because you don't listen to us. So let's start the video. Before we begin the video, I will make a humble request. So please like the video. We are taking a like target of 500 likes, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far, है ना? तो like तो कर देना. Please like the video. 500 likes we are target. The hiring test I am talking about is Relevel by Unacademy. Unacademy, you all know, is an edtech platform used by millions of students for preparing for competitive exams. Relevel is a hiring platform where top companies of India are hiring talents, fresher as well as experience. In this platform, hiring happens on the basis of test. So Relevel offers 6 tests, 4 in the technical and 2 in the non-technical domain. For technical domain, they have tests like backend, front-end, full stack development and data analyst. For non-technical, they have tests like business analyst and business development. Out of these, 3 tests are newly added. Business analyst for non-technical, and for technical role, data analyst and full stack has been recently added. So if you are looking for technical roles and non-technical roles, you have both the options. Relevel ensures you a minimum package of 4 lakh for non-technical roles and a minimum package of 6 lakh for technical roles, and it can go up to a maximum of 15 lakhs. An average package of all achievers of Relevel has been 8 LPA so far. So this is a very good, if you look at industry standard, it's very among the highest. The eligibility criteria is very simple. It doesn't ask for any degree, any percentage, any college. You only have to be within a certain age bracket of 18 years to 40 years. So you heard it right. They will not ask you for your degree. They will not ask you for your college. They will not ask you for your percentage. The only thing is matters is your skills, your eagerness to learn, your ability to work hard. So I would like to personally thank Unacademy and Relevel for creating a platform for our community which only values persons' skills. Like, so a lot of students are from tier 2 and tier 3 colleges are worried, like, we are not being given opportunities. Top companies don't even allow us. Like, this platform is giving them an opportunity to prove their skills, right? Once you are given a chance to perform, then only you can tell ना कि आप में वो काबिलियत है या नहीं. अगर आपको मौका मिलेगा ही नहीं तो how you can show, राइट जैसे वो सुपर 30 का डायलॉग है ना, इंडिया को मौका मिलेगा तो इंडिया छलांग लगाएगा. So let's talk about some real achievers who got their job with the help of Relevel. So what I am showing is the Twitter feed of Relevel achievers. Some real students who got their job with the help of Relevel. Delhi Ganesh get his job in Flyo. Sarthak get his job in Wingify. Ayush Gaba get his job in WakeFit. Karishma get her job in Board Infinity, and so many students. As you can see, these are real students. You can Google them, you can find them on LinkedIn, and you can contact them and ask them for their feedback as well. So this is what I would like to tell you about Relevel. Let's understand the process in brief. I will tell you some small steps. So first step is selecting the test that you want to attempt on the basis of your interest, and then booking the slot that we are going to see now how to book a step. Then second is giving the test. Test is going to be a day long that we are going to talk about in details in further step. Once you clear your test, you will be given a score out of 1000, 700, 800, 750, 850, whatever be your score. On the basis of your performance, a profile of yours will be generated. As you can see on the screen, similar profile will be created for you, and this will be provided for all the companies which have criteria matching to your profile. After your score crossing the minimum criteria, you will be shortlisted for interviews by those companies, and you will be giving those interviews with those companies until and unless you don't get selected, and you will definitely get your job within 15 days. So let's quickly look at how to book your slot. So in this, you have to go at this page, you have to select the test, business development, front end development, whichever role you want. You want to go for back end development, click at book your free slot. You have to enter your phone number. You have to either sign up or log in. Link you will find in the description, the first link in the description. Click on it, enter your number, get OTP, enter the OTP. Now you have to enter your full name. My name is. Then you have to provide your email ID. My email ID. Don't enter my email ID, enter your own email IDs, right? Some students do these kind of mistakes. Select which state you are from. I am from Uttar Pradesh. If you have a referral code, add, or it is optional. Then the next step, you have to select a slot, whichever date you are comfortable. So this is going to be a day-long date. So please select a date in which you are completely available. You can also check for another date if you are not available on any of these dates. So select any specific date, book a test. Now you will be redirected to a dashboard, and you can see your admit card. Okay, you can see the test instructions, how you can participate. You can also give some sample test if you want. Okay, and you can also see some achievers, how they have performed, etc., leaderboard, etc., and so on. Now we look at individual tests. For technical profile, they have 4 tests: front end development. For in this, let's look at the skills required. You need to know DSA, HTML, CSS, React, JS. Phase 1, you have back to basics, MCQ on basic programming knowledge. 30 questions will be asked. It will be of 150 marks. Second round will be of SSC or ALGO. You have to solve 2 algorithmic questions of 150 marks. You have to score at least 150 marks out of 300 to qualify this phase. Once you qualify this, then only you will go to phase 2. So this is eliminating round. In phase 2, you have to score at least 700 out of 1000. You have to create a feature, optimize it, and then face the interview. You can look at the syllabus by clicking it. You can look at code of conduct, instructions, how to prepare your laptop ready. You can look at FAQ, what is syllabus, what are instructions. So there is no limit of number of attempts. There is no need of any gap in your attempt. So you can give it as many times possible, but our recommendation is you only give it once you are prepared for it. Don't reattempt it like it's some game. Okay. So similarly, you can look at for backend development. It is for Node.js, etc. Django, etc. is also available. You can look at the syllabus, click it here. Whole PDF is available to you. If you are looking for non-technical profile, business analytics is available for you. Business development is available for you. You can also look at the companies which are hiring for this profile. Okay, so you can pretty much know about every single profile that you want to apply for. You can also land on the monthly leaderboard of ReLevel and win exciting prizes, like you can see the achievers leaderboard, the first, second, third, fourth, the toppers who have the highest score. They have won like MacBook Pro, iPhone, Apple Watch, and some other goodies. You can also see what kind of job they have landed into: Cred, Graphy, MyGlam, OneCode, first job, how much hike they have got, 125%, first job, etc. Most of the students you can see are freshers, so you can also be there and get some recognition in the community. This is the added advantage of joining ReLevel. So I don't see any reason why you shouldn't join. There are so many reasons that you should join ReLevel. If you have any queries regarding this, if you need any support, we have created a WhatsApp group. Link you will find in the description. You can join that, and we will be managing it. Tathastu Two-Wits will be managing it. If you have any queries, you can ask us there, and we will connect you to the support team of ReLevel. So please register now, book your slot. You can take a date of any 5 days, 10 days, whenever you want to do the test, even if you have your exam right now. So link is there, first link is there. Please go book your slot. This is a wonderful opportunity, especially for those students who think there are not enough opportunities for tier 3, tier 2 students. So this is your chance. जाओ जाके फोड़ो, go crack it, let's crack it. जो अनअकैडमी का भी स्लोगन है, आई थिंक ReLevel पे भी वो लग सकता है. So let's crack it. Top dream companies of your ambition.